Hello people, this is Navteej Singh from Bangalore, India. Me and my fellow team members have come up with a game on Unity Game Engine. It's a 2D game. We are just beginners and have been working on this Unity Game Engine for the past month or so. Hence, this is just the basic prototype of our game with the level designing. We represent ICAT Design and Media College, Bangalore. ICAT as an Image College of Arts and Technology. My team includes Abhilash, who is responsible for programming that is used in our game. Rahul and Pratap have helped making the sketches and animation, while Sabyasachi along with me have worked upon the level design. Our game is basically a time-based game, and one has to complete the level in that time period in order to achieve success. Our game is based upon insomnia and nightmare that our character, Jack, as we have named him, he faces. He ends up in a jungle and observes objects moving against gravity and many other such things that don't happen on a daily basis. And we also see enemies attacking him and various such obstacles that I'll show you during the gameplay. After he overcomes the level, he realizes that it was just a bad nightmare. All the dreams he sees will turn into different game levels for players. Each level will have a different setup altogether and will have a different set of challenges. Here our character Jack has a gun with him in the first level, which we are showing you, that he will use to overcome the obstacles and enemies. Now I am going to proceed to the gameplay. Yeah, so you can see our character Jack, he can move left and right using the arrow keys, and he can jump using the space bar option in the keyboard, and he can shoot with X key on the keyboard. He can shoot bullets. Now the player proceeds. You can see objects moving against gravity. We have used this thing to increase the level of difficulty in our game. So as you can see, to achieve greater distance, the player can double jump. That is, you can press the space bar twice. That is, once when he is on the land, and second when he is in midair. Now you can see the character can shoot the enemy in order to kill him and proceed further. We are working on the grass. We have the white symbol there shows the obstacles such as nails, that if the character falls on it, he'll eventually die and it will slow down his speed. Here we have added a very interesting challenge in which the player has to use his brains in order to move further. As you can see, the player when he goes in front, now he will be unable to jump directly to the next obstacle. So he'll come back. He has to come back, and then he'll push the box till the end of the level there, and then he'll jump on the box in order to proceed. So this is a thing which these kind of obstacles we are also thinking to add in the future to enhance the difficulty of our game. Here you can see the floating islands. This thing is the player really needs timing in order to jump further and proceed. Here you can see the how physics is applied, as when the floating islands are coming down, you can see the player is slightly in the air. In this way we have applied physics in many other parts of our game as well. The white signs, as you can see on the screen, this will also be used as nails, drones, and many other kind of obstacles that we will add in the future. Now we have enhanced difficulty that We also have enemy sprites on the moving island, which makes it tougher and a greater challenge for the player as well. Timing of the jump is very important if you have to succeed in this game. You can see the double jump is really more often used in this game. Now this last part is also very tough, the toughest part of our level, as in the triangular objects which you can see here. These are obstacles in future. If the player, even if it slightly touches the triangles, the player will eventually die, so he has to time and control his jumps through the obstacles so as to complete. You can see it looks simple, but the gamer only knows how tough it is. Now this is the end of our level. We have come to the end. We have decided that in our next level we'll come up with a surreal setup, that is our character Jack, the same character. He'll be shown jumping over clouds and aircrafts and birds. It'll be a totally surreal setup that that will help the gamer to face a lot of different challenges and will give them a new experience altogether. So I hope you liked our game video.